Were you considering the OnePlus Buds and you were trying to see if they're even worth the money or not? Well, in today's video, we're going to answer that question today, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Darren with Everyman Tech, your one-stop shop for tech reviews and how-to videos. And today, we're going to be talking about the OnePlus Buds, the in-ear headphones from the company OnePlus. And we're going to answer some couple questions like the tech specs, are they actually comfortable, just how they overall look, and give you my most honest opinion about if they're even worth the money or should you just wait and buy something else. So if it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe and definitely hit the like icon to show your support. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, before we get into the deeper tech specs and all that good stuff, we're going to talk about just the overall options that are available. Now, these headphones are available in two colors currently as of this video, and that is white and gray. And I actually bought the gray ones. I didn't want to buy the white ones because I already got AirPods and other in-ear headphones are white, so I'm trying to get away from the monotony of white. And I just also thought that the gray looked better, in my personal opinion. So here we go, right here. They first come in this little case like that, and again they come in white, and they also have some other colors, I believe, but right now, at the time of this taping of this video, when I went on the website, they only actually had gray and white available for purchase. So they look like these right here, and they're pretty nice. I like the space gray, not space gray, sorry, they're gray, regular gray, and they're pretty good. I think the case is nice and smooth to the touch, and when you open them up, they actually look like this as well. You might see that LED light from there, and that pretty much means that they're in charging mode right now. So nothing special about them, except that they are gray, which the gray is pretty nice. If you're looking for something that's maybe different from the white or different from the black, but you want that happy medium, the gray color, definitely I would say go with the gray. But again, those options are white and gray. And get these headphones for $79, but they're actually on sale right now for $59. So if you want to get you a pair, definitely I'll have a link in the description below, so you can go definitely pick those up. But again, the price right now currently is on sale for $59, and that was different from the regular retail price of $79. So definitely got that. So if you're looking for them, I'll definitely wouldn't wait much longer. As they are popular, they actually do sell out pretty fast, but they always get more in, and you always be notified of that. So I'll have a link for those in my description below, so you can definitely go check these out and get these if you want. For the tech specs of these guys, so when you put them in your ear, you'll notice that the design is different from the AirPods or even the Galaxy Buds Live features, and you notice that they actually have 3 microphones built into them, and that's just for better audio, and especially that audio when you're talking on the phone or even just listening to music. So you also notice too that you have this flat icon right here. Now on the AirPods, you notice this is smooth, but here they actually have a circle right here on the end of them. Now that's for some reason. That's not just for show. So when you put these in, when you're listening to some music or you're listening to the videos or anything, or podcasts, what have you, you can actually have different settings of what you can do with these. Like for instance, you can double tap right here. You can double tap them, where you can actually use that to change music settings, or you can change different tracks. So you can go back from tracks, go forward in tracks, and you can also use the pause the music. And you can also too, when you hold it in for 5 seconds like that, like such, you can actually answer your phone calls if you're listening to some music. So all you have to do is hold on to it for for 5 seconds or less, and hold down on it, and you can actually take a phone call. So that's pretty cool too. And the AirPods and everybody else, like the other ones are different, but these actually offer a convenient feature, so where you can quickly and not organically tap on them to actually make you change tracks, go forward, backward, pause, and you know, just to answer phone calls. Again, as I said, they come in a case like this. You just pop them out, and this is actually how they look like. So you can definitely notice that they are different in design from the AirPods. They almost look similar, but they're actually not. And we'll talk more about that when I get more into the tech specs of them. But when you put them in your ear, you just put them in like such, and they're not bad, in my personal opinion. But you will notice some differences, and the fact that these are slightly bigger, in my opinion, to my AirPods currently, and so they actually kind of make me feel insecure. Like, I'm like, okay, I think gonna fall out my ear, because sometimes they actually do. And over time, you will notice that if you have like if you put them in, and it all depends on your ear sizes too. But from my personal opinion, that it feels like they're about to fall out my ear, and over time they actually do. So yeah, that's kind of a downer for me. But overall, they're not like, they don't hurt your ear, but they definitely come in that one size. So if your earlobes are bigger than the headphones itself, or they may be smaller, then they might not be feel comfortable. So they actually do have to be custom fit for someone who has the perfect ear sizes, because there's no silicone interchangeable ear pads, so you can put in your ears for different sizes. None of that. So you actually have to hopefully wish that these things actually fit in your ear. And if they don't, you'll notice pretty quickly how secure or unsecure they feel. For the question I'm sure you have, actually, how long does the battery last, right? Okay, so definitely the battery life is important on any ear headphones, and it's no different for the OnePlus Buds. Now, this actual case is actually a full charging bank. So on a full charge, you can get 30 hours of playing time. And that's a lot of hours, right? So I'm not really into the benchmarks thing, but it's great that they give you an actual reference. So I actually haven't charged these in 2 days, and I can honestly say that these things held this charge pretty well. And that was for actual listening to music constantly, taking phone calls, and actually active use, and also from charging them in here and not having them connected to the wall outlet or my other battery banks. But yeah, I can definitely vouch that it does get close to, if not 30 hours of charging time, as I haven't charged in 2 days and counting, and I still got an ample charge, and I've been listening and using them non-stop since the first day that I got them. So you can definitely feel rest assured that the battery bank, the charger case itself, is actually going to definitely supply enough charge to keep you going for those 30 hours. It's also good to add that once you take your headphones and put them into the charging bank, you can actually get, out of a full charge, 7 hours of full listening time when they get fully charged inside the power bank. And again, that is without you putting the power bank itself, charging it to the wall, or using the adapter cable that comes with it, which looks like this guy right here. So you can actually get 7 hours of actual listening time once you put your headphones inside the charging case and leave them in there for a full charge. 7 hours. And let's just say that your charging bank is completely drained, but you really just got something you want to run to the store real quick, and you just want to listen to something, or you listen to a podcast or what have you. Well, just know that if you just put this on your charger for 10 minutes, and I mean 10 minutes, you can actually get 10 hours of listening time on your headphones itself. So if you're in a pinch or you're in a rush and you're trying to run to the store, just run somewhere really quickly, and you know that you just want to make it, or at least make it from your house to your car, you definitely know that if you just put this charging bank on a charger for at least 10 minutes, that you can actually get 10 hours of listening time on your OnePlus Buds in your ear. So that's something definitely note. And it does, I did charge it, and I did run it all the way down, and then try to charge it for that just a couple of minutes, 10 minutes or such. And I actually did notice that, yeah, you definitely get a lot of ample time. And as far as the headphones itself, they actually offer a 13.4 dynamic driver for that clear, crisp audio, and also that they do exercise the 3D Dolby Atmos surround sounds for deeper, for that all around theater actual feel, so you can actually feel like the music is all around you, front, back, side to side, that you actually feel like you're in a concert hall, and when you listen to certain music you actually get that good concert experience. So they do have that, and the headphones actually also have another technology in them called the direct audio tuner support for stunning sound and sound quality. So it's just another way of how they use an algorithm to provide the best sound quality for your listening experience. All right, now for the goods. Are they actually worth the money or are they not, right? That's a question you want to answer, so I'm gonna tell you straight. For me, I actually like them. Now, for the price, definitely for $59, even at the $79 point compared to the others on the market, you definitely can get a good, affordable in-ear headphone. And of course, just like any other ones, like the AirPods or the Galaxy Buds Live, the architecture and how the ecosystem compared to those, well, so I'm an iPhone user, so I'm not gonna really rip them headphones on the basis of like pairing them with the phone. It actually was pretty easy, not as easy as pairing with AirPods with Apple or the Galaxy Buds with an Android or Samsung device, but definitely I would suggest that if you're a OnePlus user, you definitely get them so you can get the full experience of having that pairing one-to-one relationship with your phone, the headphones. But overall, I would say they're actually for $59, they're actually pretty good. Other than the fact that they don't fit in my ear as comfortably as the AirPods do, I would definitely still not hold that against them, is the fact that it's something for everybody, and what might not feel comfortable for me might feel comfortable for you. But at the price of $59, you're really not losing out. And the sound quality again is pretty good. I don't get that much bass though as I get from my AirPods, and I got the AirPods Pro. I got the AirPods 2, not the Pro. I'm not comparing these to the Pro because I'll just not be fair, but just regular AirPods second edition, I would definitely say, yeah, that the bass in those are actually a little bit better than these. I was listening to some rock and I was just trying to listen to rock, you know, hip hop and a lot of other music that actually incorporates a lot of bass and a lot of sound, especially from drums and instruments, that I didn't really get that bass experience as much as I did do in my AirPods or the Galaxy Buds. But if you're someone who listens to jazz or R&B or just a lot of smooth music, or you know, and you really don't care about blasting your music up loud, well, you shouldn't be doing that anyway for reasons you don't want to go deaf as you get older. But yeah, I would definitely say that they're actually pretty good. They'll get you by, and if you're looking for something, but if you're someone who does play the music loud and you really want that bass, you really want that punch, like boom, 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 then yeah, I would definitely go with something else. But as far as overall listening, you still can hear your stuff. I would say, yeah, you can get these. Like again, especially if you're a OnePlus Buzz user, you complete the whole experience, the whole ecosystem with the one-to-one relationship as far as the customizable settings with the phone. Yeah, definitely go with these. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. The OnePlus Buds are pretty simple. They're not really complicated. No need to overcomplicate it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Again, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so you can get more reviews like this, and also get other, you know, tutorials and other tech knowledge on other products, particularly laptops and different other tech that comes along the way. I would definitely want you to be first notified of those videos when they first drop. So definitely hit that subscribe button and definitely hit the like button if you enjoyed this video or enjoyed my others on my channel. I'll definitely appreciate the support. But again, this is Darren with Everyman Tech, and all products will be listed, OnePlus Buds in particular. I'll have an option for those for the white and the gray ones in my description below. So again, this is Darren with Everyman Tech. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great and safe day. Bye.